Do you want to learn how to draw this adorable little Pokemon character, Teddirusa? If so, you are going to need something to doodle on, something to make your doodle with, something to erase any mistakes that you might make, and a marker to outline your doodle when you are done. When you have all of those supplies ready, don't forget the crayons, the markers, the colored pencils, or the paint. Like, subscribe, and share the video, and let's get started. Let's get started on Teddirusa, who is another Pokemon character. So I had quite a few requests for some different Pokemon characters, so I kind of picked the ones that I thought were the cutest. And this little guy is so adorable. He kind of makes me want to play Pokemon. So our paper is going to go vertical, which means that it is tall and skinny. So just tall this way, skinnier this way, because Teddirusa is going to be tall and skinny. And the first thing we're going to do is we are going to make a nice big circular shape for his head. And I like to rotate the paper to help make my circles. Actually, we're only going to make maybe a C shape here. Let's go ahead and just do a C shape to start, because we got to do his arms, we got to do a whole bunch of other stuff. So let's go ahead and just make a nice big C or moon shape. Up here where I started, we're going to make another circular shape here, leaving a gap for his ear. And then inside, we're kind of just going to draw number 6. Super easy. I'm going to act like I'm bringing this line all the way through, and I'm going to curve down. I'm going to leave about an inch here for his arm, because he has kind of an arm right here. All right, other side, I'm going to go ahead and add in an ear. So I'm going to come around there. Same thing, little backwards 6 on this side for his ear. And let's go ahead and add in his body. So I'm going to come down and make a curved line, and I'm going to stop. And then we can go ahead and add in arms. So over here, his arm is just going to kind of come out from the side of his head and come down. Kind of like a rounded rectangle, not much to it, just kind of curve down and in. And at the end of that shape, you're going to add rounded triangles for his little claws, or the tips of his little hands. Now over here, we're going to do his other arm. So I'm going to come from this shape, from this line right here, I'm going to come out and make the shape of this arm. And that's why I skipped there, because it was going to be kind of flat. So I'm going to come out, I'm going to go around, and I'm going to come back in. And that's going to be that arm. So at the end of that arm, I can go ahead and add those rounded triangles for his little fingers. So now we've got his 2 arms. He's like in a running motion here. So now I'm going to go ahead and make a curved line here that's going to come down, and we're going to leave a gap here for a foot. But over here we have his other foot. Maybe we have a tail. I think that might be a tail. Let's go ahead and let's do a foot down here. So let's go ahead and make a curved line right here. And we're going to add kind of like a triangle here for one of his little toenails. And we're going to add one here for the other toenail. And I guess we could probably do a third one right there hiding. I don't know. So there's a foot. And then we're going to add this shape as his tail back here. Okay. Eek. And then we're going to go ahead and do a rounded circle shape here. And we're going to add the triangles for his toes. Oh, man. In the middle here, we're going to add a circle, and we're going to finish it off. So we've got him running, his tail, and his arms. So now let's go up here and add in his face. So I'm going to add in a oval nose, and I'm probably going to color that in black. He's got a lot of brown and brownish tones, but I think I'm gonna leave his nose and his eyes with the black color. So I'm gonna go ahead and make a nice circle, oval shape with a circle in the middle here. Color in the rest of his eye. And I'm gonna move over and try to do one in the same location on the other side. There we go. And now let's go ahead and he's got like a moon shape right here. So let's go ahead and add that in. So I'm gonna go ahead and make that big kind of C shape. And it goes kind of like that. It actually comes above his eye a little bit. Okay, and then we're gonna curve around here and connect. So we've got that moon shape up there on the top of his head. And then on each side of his eyes, we're gonna curve down there and we're gonna curve down here. And this is kind of like a yellowy color. And he's got a mouth in here, big, wide open mouth. So we're gonna go ahead and make a line and just a nice big kind of U or rounded V shape there. And then inside his mouth, do a curved line for his tongue. Look how cute he is. I like him. Very adorable little Teddirusa from Pokemon. So let's go ahead and grab our markers or crayons or colored pencils or whatever we want to use to add color to our adorable doodle. And let's get him colored in. Look at how cute our little Teddirusa turned out. Pokemon characters are so much fun to draw. They are just so darn cute. If you had fun drawing with me today, please like, subscribe, and share the video. And I cannot wait to see you again next time. Have a wonderful day. Goodbye.